up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Market Chart Analysis. I hope you guys are benefiting from our analysis. So today we are going to be looking at gold USD. Last week we analyzed Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency coin, meme coin. It's an interesting coin, especially in this season, the bull run season. You should check out the analysis, guys. Check out the analysis. So guys, as you can see, we've already marked our highs, our weak high, and our strong low, so that we don't take much of your time. And guys, also another thing, if you have any questions, if you have any pair that you like us to analyze, just drop it in the comment section. And if you have any questions concerning the charts, concerning anything, guys, don't hesitate to ask. Just drop your question so that we can take a look at it.
And also, if you just invite a friend.
Yeah, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you are new to this channel, guys. So that, and also hit the notification bar so that when we drop our analysis, you don't get left out, like FOMO, fear of missing out. Some would like to enter the charts whilst they are already
As soon as possible.
As you drop, you can actually see then. Okay, guys, so as you can see, as I have said before, there is our highs, there is our lows. So let's dive into it, guys.
So guys, as you can see here, price was creating a bullish trend. So this bullish trend, it broke this high. So you would wonder why there is a line called B. So it's just simply where price broke structure here, and then it started selling off as soon as possible. So we highlighted this high as a weak high.
Yes.
Just because when price broke this previous low or these two previous lows, it then changed off character as soon as possible. Change character or change direction. So this high is a weak high because we're not expecting price to just continue up as soon as possible, because price already grabbed liquidity here, it started selling. I like this low. Okay. This low is a strong low because it initiated the buy, where price then broke this previous
okay.
So
also it's the low that initiated the move.
Exactly. Okay. Because price had enough liquidity to pump and then grab liquidity on this side and then break this size.
Okay. I can see market was actually creating a channel whilst going, creating higher highs.
Yeah, we can just show you guys here. And we also have this one here. Yeah, so this is the channel my guy was talking about. So as you can see, price was creating the channel of higher highs and then moving upward, and then it broke structure here. So you can see a breakout and a retest, and then price impulsively sold to this strong low. So we are expecting price to go to our strong low.
Okay, so I've seen you've marked these zones. Are they order blocks or what?
Okay, so these gray zones, these are just simply our lows, the lows that initiated this bullish movement. So as you can see, this is the last low, and then price buys and then breaks this previous high, and then this is another low, and then price broke this high here, and price broke this high. So these lows are of great importance because they initiated the buy that broke these highs.
You know what, I have to be honest, I actually took a loss on gold, like on this zone. I actually thought it's an order block and it's going to hold, and I actually ended buys, and then my stop loss was hit. I don't want to lie. I think I'm not the only one who thought this was a strong order block. Most people entered, and I think maybe you should tell people why that order block didn't hold.
Okay, so usually we have this cliche that says the trend is your friend.
Okay.
So just follow the trend, guys. So here, as you can see, if I am to clarify, so as you can see here, most of the people will buy at this zone thinking, no, this is an order block. Price created a buy, and so I'm expecting price to buy here because this one is a previous low, and then so price will buy and then go back to my low, so I will buy hard here, and then you will lose money.
Actually, notice like this wasn't a strong order block, as you have said before. The market from this strong low, it didn't do an impulsive move going up. It actually went in a channel, and then in a rather than as you can see, there was this impulsive move. So right to this block.
Exactly. So most of the people will lose money here because they will say, impulsive move, price will go back to my order block, and then so I'm seeing this fair value gap, so price must buy to fill in this fair value gap. Because as you can see it, then the market knows that people will buy here. And then it creates this bullish candle, and then you say, bullish candle.
I was actually in profit, you know.
And then price sells. So as you can see out here again, price broke structure here.
Okay.
And then so before we even talk about breaking structure, it did the same. It reached this zone, and then people say, order block again. I lost money here. So this must be the real order block. Let me buy hard here, and then you lose money again because you're missing the point that price is now selling here. It's now impulsive selling. So we are now in a bearish trend.
Okay.
So here, as you can see, price also broke structure. So these zones are of great importance. But price usually mitigate around these blocks, or it flips from. Usually breaks them, retest them, and then sell. As you can see here again, price it broke, and then turtle soup, then it sells.
Okay, and also price was consolidating for some few.
Exactly.
As you can see right there. What are we expecting?
Okay, so here as you can see, price, we have our low that initiated this bullish move. So we marked this zone, and then price it went back, and then it started buying. We're expecting price to dip below and create a false buy here, so that most of the people they do not come out of their trades here, or they do not take out partial profits, and so price will then just go a little bit up and then fake people out and then sell.
Okay, so what are the indicators say?
Okay, so another indicator that we can use, there is this application, this AI chatbot, which is called .b. So
okay, well, that one that helps you with all your analysis.
Yeah, exactly. So you can analyze your chart over here, and then for the sake of confluence, you can go to the AI chatbot. So it then gives you a better position to make your trade, because you know you have a confluence of analysis. So if you see your chart saying price is likely to buy, and then you go to the AI chatbot, and then it has indicators. So guys, this is the AI chatbot. So
we are talking about
this is .b.
So all you have to do is you go on the AI chatbot 2. So the link is down there in the description. You just click it, and then it takes you to this page. So guys, as you can see on our right hand side, there is the analysis for Euro USD on 4-hour time frame. You can actually change the time frame if you want 30 minutes, if you want 1 hour. Each and every time frame is there. As you can, if you want dark mode also, there is this interesting feature that is there. You can actually switch to dark mode. So guys, on the left hand side, this is where you ask your questions. Let's say we are analyzing our gold. So all I have to do is type the question I want. I can do an analysis for gold on 1 hour time frame. So guys, as you can see, within seconds the analysis is out.
So as you can see guys, the results are out. So this chatbot is telling you price using the relative strength index and moving average, convergence and divergence. Price is showing a neutral market sentiment, that is, price is ranging. So when you now do your trade, you now trade with caution, because the chatbot is telling you price is a likelihood of consolidation. So you won't go to the market with a long-term mentality, like buying long. So you do your intermittent trade, and then you
so information, as you can see, the indicators are saying the market is consolidating, so it's not the right time to just enter trades like randomly. So we have to wait for our strong high wave marked. Market should come in that zone, and then we start looking for entries.
No, let me buy again. But then from what we have said earlier, you don't buy these lows, because there is a high probability that price will create a total support and manipulation, and then you lose money. So you can see price started consolidating, but then it broke this structure and then retested it here. Consolidated, broke structure, retested here, and here also it broke structure, retested here, and then here the broke structure, and then as you can see, if we go down to a lower time frame, you can see price try to test here, but these are the clear ones. Price broke structure here and mitigated, then price broke structure here and then it mitigated. So we now have other lows which are still where price hasn't reached these lows. We have this low right here and also this strong low.
Okay.
So
we're expecting price to come and bounce at
this level, then rather consolidate at this level, but we're expecting this price to dip down below. Then if it consolidates, and then it breaks this low and then retest it. It could retest and then it could continue buy and or retest and then so to our.
You can actually see there is a major zone 2.3 using the quarter theory.
Yeah, usually price really loves those measures.
So there is a high probability that price is going to bounce at that zone.
That zone 2-300.
So we just have to wait for it and see like how the market is behaving in those zones.
Exactly. But yeah, so this is simply it. You expect price to break down below this low, and then guys, here you must be cautious, because when price reaches this zone, most of the people will say, no, it's buying, because it will grab liquidity here, and then most of the people will buy at this zone, and then price will create an impulsive move. For some of us who like to go steady with the trend and swing the trend, we'll just wait for price to break this low and retest. If we want to sell to this strong low, sell. And then also we expect price to consolidate before we look for buy setups. But for the impulsive traders who would like to trade
in and out,
exactly,
scalpers.
That's the thing. For scalpers, they try scalping something. But we're expecting price to manipulative buys.
NFP.
Exactly.
Is NFP? It's coming, right? This Friday.
Yeah, it's coming. We have NFP this Friday.
So guys, you should be careful.
Yes.
So I think NFP will help us in reaching some of our zones.
Exactly.
That's why I always use .b.
Yeah.
AI chat too, that helps you up to date with the news. Just have to go and ask whatever you want. It will give you the whole update of the upcoming news and also what to expect.
And also, it's important to just have a second opinion. And we know with the world is going full AI. So with the technology. So you need a second opinion. So if you analyze your chart and you know price might sell and consolidate, you can also go to the AI chart board and see. It also is various methods of calculating how
Instead of putting all the indicators on your chart, like
just let
RSI, it will do all that stuff for you.